So I'm at the location. It's an apartment building, and my contact, well, the owner says he asked me to give him a 30-minute a head start before I come over here, meaning he asked me to give him a call before I make it here within 30 minutes because he lives pretty close, and at least he'll know that I'm almost here so that he can come. Okay. So when I got in the car, it was like 25 minutes. But either way it go, I went on ahead and called the man because I had wrote on the paper. I said, let me call him and let him know. And he was like, hi, okay. Thank you for calling me. Thank you for calling me. Thank you for calling me. I'll be there in 45 minutes. Bye-bye. And hung the phone up. Now, when you get 45 minutes out of 30, you can't get 45 worth of nothing out of 30. Okay? Shoot, like trying to pull $1 out of 15 cents. Where'd he get that from? Not one time did I say that we agree for 45 minutes. We agreed for 30. But you know, the building is open. Let me see if I can show it to you. If you can see it. It's over there. Over in the cut. All right. So it's open space, and being that they convinced me to do some inspections today, because I wasn't even going to do any at all today because I had no plans to do any today. I was going to get myself together so I can go out of town. I ain't have time for this, but you know, this is my job. I got to do my job, right? So I was trying to set up all of the ones that I'm doing in this area for one day next week. And when I called them, I hope you guys can see me. This sun ain't playing out here. Can you see me? I hope you can see me. This ain't gonna help. They made it worse. All right. Anywho, y'all get what I'm saying. All right. So I was trying to get the appointment set for one day next week so that I can do all of them in this area on one day, hopefully. So I wasn't expecting anybody to get anything set up for today. So I called, these files came in last minute. So I called on yesterday morning to start setting them up. And the guy, the first one that answered the phone, he said, sure, I'll be there. I can come right over and meet you whenever you're ready. So I gave him Monday of next week or Tuesday, and he was like, no, that's going to be a little bit hectic unless you can wait till the Monday after. Can we just do it tomorrow? Okay, well, you already just said, I just told you I wasn't trying to do any appointments today. But since I didn't have none, I was like, you know what? Let me go on ahead and do it. Get this knocked out. So I just said, sure, okay. So I got him set up today. And the earliest that he could see me today was at 3 o'clock. Like 3 o'clock in the evening. I've been long been at home by 3. What? 3 o'clock. So I went on ahead and took the 3. Okay, so I knew I had more files for the day. I had about 4 more. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go on ahead and, well, not files for the day, files for the same location. So I said, well, the next ones I call, I'm going to see, can I stack them tomorrow too? And all of that, you ain't working tomorrow, that's over. You going to work tomorrow. So I called them, and everyone, I was like, if we could meet tomorrow, that would be great. I'd be in your area. And I had 2 more that said, okay. So I ended up with 3, and the last one is stuck somewhere on Wednesday of next week, but that's how it's gonna roll. So he's not here yet, and it is now 2 minutes after. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the outside images. That way by the time he gets here, I will at least have all of that, and all we got to do is go inside of a unit. He can get these quick questions answered, and I can get on to that next one. So I'll see you guys on the flip. So I've done all the images, knocked them out really fast. He's still not here. Okay, and it is 9 minutes after. So yeah, that was really quick. And I am waiting on him. See, chop rapido. All right, I'll be ready to get this done, get this knocked out so I can get out of here. And I have been all the way around this building, and he needs to get here in a few minutes because the next one, yep, same zip code, so right around the block. So you already know I'm gonna knock these out and get out of here. I hate to do inspections this time of the day. Okay, so now get this. He shows up and tells me, that he don't live but 10 minutes away. 10 minutes away? Why it took you so long? See, even though we was able to knock it out, of course, if it wasn't for me going on ahead and getting those images from the jump, I would be still over there dealing with him. But yeah, and then I was able to get into a unit. Beautiful, beautiful unit. Oh, it's very, very nice people. Got that taken care of. And then he shakes my hand by and then just grabs me for a hug. I'm like, dude, where they do that at? You kind of touchy-feely, ain't you? Okay. Gonna have to find somebody else to be playing with. All right now. All of that hugging and stuff. Like, what's going on? We ain't doing that. Calling me senorita and stuff. Dude, what? Okay, see, I ain't trying to scare none of y'all, all right? Y'all gonna have to behave. Handle y'all own out here in these streets. All right. So the next one I got, matter of fact, let me put my glass on because I can't see. I got my map on the phone. And they dirty. Oh, okay. I have about 20 minutes before my next one. And I don't know how close they are, if they're already there, because I forgot what they said. I have no idea. So I'm going to go over here to this one and see what happens. And if no one's there, and if I can't reach anybody and I have to wait it out, then I have to wait it out for a few minutes. It won't be that long. Hopefully it's open too. I'll be able to do the same thing. Because I already told y'all, I don't like being out here this time of the day doing no tricks in these streets. All right. So we about to do that. We're going to roll over here and check it out. And I'm gonna move that can out the way. Go somewhere else, bro. This is my parking spot. So not only was the ride only 6 measly minutes, but when I got here, it was like 42 after. So I called the owner to see if it was okay if I go around the building, since I'm super early and he's not late. And he was like, I can do you one better. How about you go in unit number 1, because the tenant inside of unit number 1 is expecting you today, and they're there right now waiting on you. And I was like, okay, we can do that. So instead of you coming over here, how about I do you one better and you get these questions answered over this phone? And he was like, let's go. So I got all of my questions answered. I never know what direction I am facing. Make sure you didn't do wrong. All right, so I got all of that done. Ah, that girl is poison. Okay. Let me get out and go over here and get these pictures. So I can get out of here. See you guys on the flip.
Make it out, or do you need me to move a little bit?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much. I just be loving meeting all of these new people. Some of these people are the best. You hear me? I ain't gonna be telling y'all some of this stuff they be giving because I ain't trying to make nobody jealous. But yeah. And then on top of that, the job itself is just wonderful. All right, so you guys are hanging around and taking your time and lollygagging, trying not to make a move because you're afraid of whatever the problem, whatever your issue may be. Look, let me tell you something. Y'all better get out here and get the moving. Get left behind. And you don't want to get left behind. A lot of you are already left behind, and you know it. So what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? It ain't about this. It's about whatever you choose to do with your life. What are you going to do about it? Okay, because you know there's always help available for everybody who needs help to get started on anything, especially when it comes to this, because y'all know I got mentorships. Okay, all right. I have academies for those who've been doing it and need help. Okay, and I have a beginners program, all of them over on D. Michelle, Potential Unleashed by dmichelle.com. Go to that one. Don't go to the other one, okay? Go to that one because I don't want you guys to get confused. I'm debating on what I'm going to do with that other website, but in the meantime, that's where you go. Potential Unleashed by D. Michelle. And get signed up over there for any assistance you may need to get started doing what? This wonderful, wonderful field of work. All right, so let me call this next guy really quick and see how far out he is. Well, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to drive over there first. Okay, let's do one better. Let's drive over there first. So this one is a rental home. I bet y'all was like, girl, you in the neighborhood. Okay. Y'all seen they made me climb these hills, didn't you? Okay, I didn't know I was about to be climbing some hills. They poured a fast one on you, girl. All right. But at least I am here. And it took about 7 more minutes to get over here. Not bad at all. And it is a rental home. So they are renting it out And I thought that it was going to be a duplex. At least I asked the guy, and he said, no, it's not a duplex. So, yeah, it's just a rental. And, you know, once they rent it, it becomes commercial. All right, so I will be inspecting around the outside of this home and doing the basics on the inside, just like any other inspection, and calling it a day. And maybe I should call him and see if he's anywhere near, because this is gonna be a long little sit. I don't want to do it. See, that's one of the problems with jumping up and coming up with all of these strategies. You know me with my strategies, so that I can get inspections done quick and in a hurry. I be thinking them wheels be turning the whole time I be out in these streets, so I can get it done and get out of here. And then when I get to that last one, it's always going to be that last one. They'll be like, nah, I won't be able to make it until appointment time. Okay, so let's see what's about to happen. Y'all give me a second. So I called him. He said that there's someone there who can actually open the door for me. He's not here. He won't be here for a few moments. So he said I can go ahead and knock around the outside of the house and all of that good stuff. You're about to get ready to get out of here fast. I thought it was not going to be good, but this going to be good. Thank you, Lord, for everything that you have bestowed upon me. I am open to receive all abundance and opportunities that you have come in my way. Okay, yeah. See you later. So this one, I was able to get in there and get it out and get it done, but I stayed way longer than I was expecting to stay. Y'all gonna have to. Me and this here don't be working out too well. I stayed way longer than I was expecting to stay, but yeah, this is one of those survivors, okay, and a really, really sad situation that is taking place. But hey, you know, life be life, and if you kick you, fall down, all you can do is get back up. But yeah, we're gonna roll out because it is now 4:05. Okay, traffic time. All right, I'm gonna roll down this hill, see how fast I can get down this thing and take it to the house. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I gotta go home and try to see as much as this I can put in as I possibly can, so I don't have to worry about doing it tomorrow. Because when I hit these roads tomorrow and going out of town, I do not want to have to deal with doing any sort of work. All right. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.